What up guys, welcome back to the vlog. I want to show you guys a project that we did about a year ago. This car came in originally white. Customer brought it to us, wanted to change it up, so we wrapped it in the radioactive green from Avery Dennison. So the color's like a green metallic flake. It was super dope. He ran it for a year, but he got tired of it. So a year later, he brought the car back to us, wanted to change it up. So we wanted to kind of keep the wrap because the wrap still looked great. It was still in great condition, and as did he. So we wanted to add to it. So what we did is we talked to Christian. Christian went in, redesigned kind of the rear end of the car, added our new flavor to it with some of the print work capabilities that we have now. So we're able to create a little masterpiece, I think. Print wrap with the metallic flake that was originally on there, adding them together. I didn't see the vision at first. I was like, Christian, you're crazy, bro. I don't know how you're gonna do it. I don't know how you're gonna marry these two things together and make it work, but he did. We're gonna show you guys the entire process in this video. So if you wanna see how we took an old wrap and spiced it up a little bit, stay tuned. If you guys want a chance to win a free wrap, this is another chance for you. Just all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel. Every 100,000 new subscribers, we give away a car wrap. We're approaching 300K, so the wrap winner could be you. We can come to you anywhere in the world. We've done it twice already. We went to Utah the first time. We went to Portland the second time. So we've been all over so far. We're traveling way out of our comfort zone. We wrap here in Riverside, California. If you don't know, our shop is located in Riverside, California. I'll have the address below. If you ever want to visit us, come by. We got a retail spot. We got our whole staff is always here. Come by, come hang out. But we are here in Riverside, but we'll go anywhere in the world to wrap the winner's car. So at 300,000 subscribers, we're giving away another wrap. It could be you. All you gotta do is subscribe. Let's get into the vlog.
Now that you guys have seen Daniel talk about the project, this is hopefully what we're trying to make it into. We had a concept that was similar to what we have now, but it wasn't exact. And the thing about that was the customer didn't know exactly what they wanted. So it was actually a lot of legwork in figuring out which direction we were going to take this. Originally, the owner wanted just a simple Arctic camo that blended into his current green wrap, and then it turned into being more specific. So then we got to it being torn, it being more aggressive, and not so much a camo and more so just a really aggressive semi-racing, semi-camo kind of mix in. To be able to kind of show you what I'm talking about, I actually have just about all the footage from the entire process of going in and laying everything out. So you'll start to see that we started with his basic green wrap. It was just a still that I got from his Instagram actually, just so I could lay out the concept. From there, we started adding in a couple different shapes just to kind of get our feet wet and figure out what we were gonna do. Now that we got the concept down a little more to what he was thinking, we then kind of took it a step further and started adding in a whole lot of different details that really brought it to life. But there is something that wasn't recorded that you guys will have to wait and see for the print, because it's something that I actually hid in the background of the print, and it kind of really steps it up. So I'm excited for you guys to see that. Now the design is all set though, and we have our material here. We just gotta get the car here to get started.
Alright guys, so this car has been sitting itself for about 2 hours now, so we're gonna start unwrapping the back end of it.
Literally, if it's gonna be, easier if this is higher up or whatever.
It's supposed to fall right there, so it looks like you got a 2-inch bleed on it. Try to line yours up as it goes up. So it's a 2-inch. This is where I need to be. We'll center point these right here, okay, and then we'll run the laser. We'll do it that way. But we can wrap the trunk today. Yeah, we can get the wing back on. We can wrap the end plates, yep, and just figure out what we're gonna do with the bumper. One of the cool things we've incorporated into our install process is using a laser. We're using a laser on the job that we're doing today just to kind of get, well, not just to kind of, we are going to get 100% alignment right to the center. So what we do is we find a center point on the car, we match the laser to it. Basically what we did is we found the center point up top, we measured. These are all hand measurements. We got them down to a couple different points. So one here, one there, and then one also down here. And we match the laser right to that. So that lets us know that we're 100% in line. So when we come and line up our graphics also have center points on them also. So once we line those up, we'll know that our panels are laying smooth all the way through, and we'll just know that we got 100% perfect alignment. Let's see real quick.
So without a laser, you wouldn't really see any of this for the most part, because then you're just still eyeballing it to where these are. But now that the laser's on top, it's not, you know, conflicting with anything. So you can be able to, you know, have your panel here and go to lay it and be able to follow your laser and make sure that it's right on.
Would you look at that?
Just look at it.
Just look at it.
Look at it.
That's tight, right?
Going so far?
Yeah, man, I'll tell you what, that dang old internet, man, you just go.
How's it going so far?
I
How's it going so far?
What did Johnny say?
I don't know. What, you mumble rapper?
Huh?
What'd you even say?
On there and point and click, get in there, talk about www.wcom, you got it real easy, man.
We're just making an order at Taco Bell?
Was it the Boomhauer? What is it? Hey, John, you like rapping this? Stop it, stop. It's hot. Stop. I'm fat. I'm already hot.
Like in Charlie Brown? Parents on the...
Oh, yeah.
Christian, you need to dictate
Is it like this,
back
or?
alignment. We'll do center, you dictate the back.
Put it on there first so you guys know how far forward you're coming.
Oh my god, the lighting is killing me. Alright guys, I want to apologize right now. The next lighting is really making this difficult. This is on the top part
We
of the
have to have the lights off for the laser to see though. So
yeah,
that's why.
I just want to apologize for everyone that's going to complain.
Fucking apologize.
No, I'm apologizing. I'm sorry, guys.
Dude, the laser's going right in the middle of his face. Let me show you. Stay right there. Stay right there.
It was like Scar.
This looks like Scorpion.
All right, everything's figured out.
Okay.
Ready to lay?
So if you guys don't know, this is the attempt number 2. And usually we wouldn't tell you guys that we made a mistake. We just let the video play because the power of editing. But the truth is, this is one of our first in a long time digital graphic installs. So what happened before was we actually put that panel upside down and it looked perfect. The wrap was great, but the placement was wrong. And Christian quickly came in the next day, identified it. He goes, Daniel, you guys messed up. So we had to get another print made. Where we got this wrap came from weprintwraps.com. So if you guys are looking to have digital print wrap services offered in your shop, hit them up. They're making it really easy for wrap shops like us who don't do it, actually be able to just outsource the print to them. They print it, they make it perfect, they send it to us, and we're good. But in this unique position, we're on a deadline. They made it happen really fast, so I just want to give them a quick shout out, weprintwraps.com. Hit them up, look into them. But other than that, we're gonna now lay this panel the right way, because Christian's here. We're using the laser, just like I talked about before. Using this laser is gonna help us get everything in line. We pre-measured everything. So now at this point, we just use the laser. We measure the bumper. We got the center point on the bumper. And once we get this vinyl installed, we know we're in 100% alignment. And that's the big thing with digital graphics, is making sure, for one, that your panel's not upside down, and make sure that you're centered. We got that, we're gonna wrap, let's go. All right, so one of the biggest things that's different between laying a color change wrap versus a printed wrap is as you're laying it, you can kind of conform color change material to kind of go into the areas that you need it to go into. With this graphic, you have to be cautious of not overstretching the graphic and losing the shape of it. So what we're doing is we're paying attention to the other side that we laid first, because it has to be exactly the same, as well as paying attention to the rendering. We want everything to fall right in place. And just to give you an example, if we come around this bumper and this one goes up this way and we stretch a little up this way and this one comes down, parts of the graphic are gonna fall in different spots. So that was probably the most challenging thing that we've done so far. But I will tell you that Johnny and I laid this thing 100% perfect. If you go and measure it, you think we did it with, I think we printed it on this thing. We're gonna keep wrapping. Johnny. Like we speak the same language. Yeah. I'm like, yo, give me Young Tack. He's like, got you. I said, you know what? Do a little lay first. He goes, I got you. Little lay and Young Tack. He goes, I got you tack with the lay.
Now that this is here and without transfer tape, do you see the 3D effect?
Yep.
That white on it?
Yeah.
Because it makes it look like the green is on top.
Yep. Like how you did the shadowing and everything. Mm-hmm. Even the jagged cuts were perfect.
That's all this guy. And that girl.
Oh. So I'm looking at it going, okay, which way it tore first?
Yep.
Yeah, it looks like it tore this way. Wait, or this way. Whatever way. Hot boy points.
Yeah.
Get that for you, but he fixed it. It's fine.
Oh my God!
All right, Johnny's finishing trimming that out. In the meantime, the wing just put back on, and next.
So this is literally probably my favorite part about the entire wrap is the windshield banner that we created. Well, that this guy created behind the camera. So it matches the wrap, it has the premium camo in it, all the little logos, and then it has the signature script along with kind of all the matching, what do you call those shapes?
It's just It's a little premium custom. That sounds nice.
Premium custom banner. So listen guys, I think this thing's dope. I'm gonna run it on my truck. So if you guys want this thing, let us know, comment below. We'll probably have some printed up. I think it's gonna be the next thing for us. We saw a ton of our just regular like gloss black banners, but this is next level. We're gonna install it real quick. With our banners, we always have a little indicator of the center mark. So in this banner, you see there's a little center indicator there. First thing you wanna do is probably get in the car. You can start from your mirror. Usually the mirror is your center point. You can also go from measuring, just measuring from the outside. But what we usually do is kind of just eyeball it. We'll go sit inside the car, we'll point out the center, we'll mark that with a piece of tape, we'll line this up, take the banner up to it. With our banners, they're all air release material. If anybody's selling you a banner that you need to use water on, it's probably usually not the right thing. It's probably the bad vinyl. All of this stuff here, all the banners that we sell are air release material, car wrap vinyl. So it's very, very easy to work with. But because a lot of people sell the cheap banners where you need to spray them down with water, a lot of people tend to do that with ours, and that's not the way to do it. You have all the air release capabilities, so you don't need to do that. All you need to do is remove the banner from the backing paper, line it up, have a partner with you to help you lay it out, but you push the air out, very, very easy. I'll show you guys the process real quick. I spun on my phone. Did you see that happen, dude? I almost slipped on my ass. All right, guys, so my favorite part about this wrap, and you guys may have caught it earlier when we were installing it, is literally there's 500 premium logos embedded into this wrap. So I want to give a shout out to the customer because he allowed us to do it. If you look right in the print, the premium logo is all over the camo. And I'll give you guys a little additional sneak peek. This is a print that we're gonna be running on a lot of different things, including my truck wrap, Hefe's Camaro wrap, and anybody else's car that asks me for a sponsorship, this is what you're gonna get, all right? So we're gonna be pushing the premium camo a lot. And if you guys wanna pick up the windshield banner, it's already available on the website. Go take a look at it. It's one of my favorite banners we've ever made. So the premium camo, we're trying to come up with a cool name for it. Look at the design, comment below. If you have a design name for this banner over here, right here, because I came up with the premium camo banner. It has to be something cool than that, right? Comment below, guys. Help us pick a name for the windshield banner, and whoever actually picks the best name will get 100% for free. We'll ship it right to you. So whatever we end up calling it, and if you pick it, you win it. But for now, let's get into cinematics. I hope you guys enjoy it. I love the way the car turned out. Give a big shout out to Christian and the entire team for making this work. Not only Christian, but Johnny, Anthony, everybody came together and made this wrap work out. So thanks to the crew, and we'll see you guys in the next vlog.